Okay, hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of like going through the advent calendar stuff and deciding what we're going to keep and what we're going to pass along. So yeah, let's just get into it, I guess. This is the It Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. I've got a couple of these and I still haven't used them up. I did quite like them, but Kate can't stand the smell. So I feel like I shouldn't keep another one because, like, I feel bad. Like, I understand that, like, if you, like, I like lavender and stuff, but I can understand why, like, you wouldn't because it is quite strong. So yeah, I'll pass that one along because, yeah, you know, I'm just trying to spray it at night time and Kate's like, this stinks. Like, I can't sleep with this smell. So anyway, I'm also going to pass these along. These are some eyelash curlers. I just don't use them. And yeah, I don't know. So pass those along. We have the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty, and I do really want to keep this actually. This is quite a nice size as well. I don't know if this is the full size or what, but I'm really excited to try this out because my skin, once again, it's not like super dry, but if there was one skin concern that I was gonna, like, that I would talk about, it is that my, like, dryness. Like, I feel like my skin is quite dry, so I am very excited to try that out. This one I'm tossing up because I think I'm going to give this to my mum because she really loves this, and yeah, she's like always going on about it. And I've got a couple of like the smaller size ones, which I haven't even tried them out yet, but I am very excited to try the small ones out. But I just know that my mum loves this, so I will keep that and give that to her. This is the Revolution palette, the True Icon, and honestly I think I'm going to keep it. I feel like it's so pretty, like, and I haven't tried out a Revolution eyeshadow palette in such a long time, and this one's really kind of calling my name. Don't know how I feel about the cream shadows, but that's something we'll cross when we get to it. But yeah, I don't know, I just think this palette's really pretty, so I am actually going to keep that one. Okay, we have the Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant, and I think I'm going to keep this as well. I do love a good face scrub, and this one looks quite nice. So yeah, I feel like I am going to try her out. And I think the Grown Alchemist is meant to be like quite a nice brand, so I don't think I've ever tried anything from them before. I got a hand cream in last year's advent calendar, but unfortunately I'm just not a hand cream girly. So yeah. This is the, I don't know how to say that brand, Sacha John styling cream. I know that I said that wrong, but it says styling cream coats the hair while forming and defining any desired hairstyle. Apply to damp hair and style. I think I will pass this one along. I just don't think I have much of a use for like styling creams. I kind of just straighten my hair really and like chuck it up kind of thing, so I don't think it's something that I'd really get much use out of, so I will pass that one along. I think this is like a full size as well. It's a very big bottle of it. So this is the Dibs Glow Tour Duo Shimmering Blush and Contour Duo, and I think I'll pass this one along as well. It's just not something that I'm super like excited to try out, and I feel like I have so many blushes and like bronzer products that if I'm not super excited about it, there's just no point having it. So this is Soap Brows, the original brow soap from WB Co, I think, and I'll pass this one along as well. It actually looks so cute. So it comes in this little tin, and it's obviously just like a little brow soap, and then it comes with a little spoolie in the other end as well. Soap brows just don't really work for me, unfortunately, because my eyebrow hairs are so long, and I've just never really loved the soap brow look. And I've got a couple of other like clear waxes if I needed a product like that, so yeah, I just wouldn't use that one, so I'll pass her along. This is the Aubrey, I think, Imperial Glow Out Transformative Styling Cream, and once again it says work through damp hair, roots to ends, blow out section by section for body and style. So yeah, styling creams aren't it for me. And yeah, I don't know, looking at this product, it doesn't make me excited. I honestly think if I kept it and it was on my shelf, like, I just wouldn't reach for it. So yeah, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand in Goldgasm, and it's the Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand, and the shade is Goldgasm. Yeah, I will be keeping this one as well. I'm really excited to try this out. What is this? Oh, I'm so excited about this actually. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, Hydrating Cleansing Balm. And something about me, I love a cleansing balm. It smells really nice. And I've heard really good things about this, so super excited to try that one out. I've never tried anything from Elemis, so exciting. This is the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Body Firmiza Oil, and it says visibly firms and depuffs. I don't know where you meant to put it, but I'm keeping it because it smells incredible. You just can't go wrong with a Boom Boom scented product. Oh, it's so good. So yeah, I will be keeping her. I don't know how to use it, but I'll search up and figure it out. And also I'm going to be keeping this one as well. I think I've got a couple of like the minis of the Sol de Janeiro creams, but I go through them, like I've used up quite a few, and if I don't get around to using it, I'll pass it to like one of my sisters or something for Christmas. I hate when these little flap thing, because you can't get the lid back on. That's my only like, and I don't want to take the like seal off it yet because I'm not opening it yet. Ooh, just go in there. Oh good, I got it. Yay, finally. Okay, so yeah, I'll keep that one as well. This is the Elemis Superfood Midnight Facial Nourishing Sleeping Cream. Apply to cleanse skin every night. I'll give it a go, I guess. I feel like, yeah, I'll try it out and see what it does. Like I said, I've never tried anything from Elemis, so I'm kind of excited to try out a couple of their products. This is the MCO Beauty Perfect Pout Lip Liner in Cheeky Chat, and I will be keeping this one. I feel like that looks like quite a nice shade. Obviously this is a little tiny mini one, and these are meant to be a dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury ones, I think. But yeah, keep her. I'm excited to try that out. I'll also keep the Hot Lip Plump. This one's in the shade Fancy. These are meant to be a dupe of the Fenty Beauty ones, I think. So haven't tried these out, but I am excited to give that a go. Also from MCO, we have the Dream Lip Tint Hydrating Gel, which I think I'll pass that one along because, yeah, I don't know, it's just not something I'm super excited about. I kind of honestly want to try this. This is the Hair and Brow Magic Wand. So I mean, I could at least use it in my brows if like for nothing else, but because I tried like the, what's the other one? The Slick Stick or whatever. Is that what it's called? I don't know, the one that's meant to like keep your hairs in place, and it didn't work for me, so I'm excited to try like a different brand of it. This is the Philip Kingsley Elasti Styler. So it says Elasta Styler 5-in-1 treatment, strengthens, conditions, primes, tames and adds shine for perfectly manageable healthy hair. Starting with a large pea-sized amount, work through mid-lengths and ends of towel-dried hair, blow dry and style as usual. But what does it do? I might try out. I feel like I might, yeah. We'll give it a go. I feel like it sounds nice. So, and then this is the Beauty Works Pearl Nourishing Argan Oil Mask. I don't know why, but like, I don't know, like, this just doesn't appeal to me for some reason. It sounds really nice, but I don't know. I'm gonna pass it along. I'm a bit weird. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel, which I think I'll also pass along. I mentioned in the advent calendar video, it stresses me out a little bit, so. What is this? Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. Anti-freeze, anti-humidity. Yeah, I am going to keep this because anything that says anti-freeze or anti-humidity, I'm like, give me that. So I'll keep her. This is just the teeniest, tiniest little MCO Beauty puff, or like, you know, little sponge thing. And I think this is probably one of the cutest things that I've ever seen in the whole world. Like, it's just so cute. But I'm not going to use it because it's so small. So I'm like, oh, will I? Maybe I will. Let's keep it. I can use it for like under my eyes or something. This is the Project Lip Plump and Fill in the shade Play, which I will pass this one along. It's just not something I'm interested in trying, I don't think. This is also from Project Lip, and it's a lip buff, scrub and smooth, and I kind of want to keep it, but I don't think it has a scent. Yeah, I'll keep it for now. Like, let's try it out. It looks cute. This is the Ren Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. It does look like a really nice product, but I have like, I swear I have like 3 bottles of like the Pixie like glow tonic or whatever, so I feel like I don't need another one, so I'm gonna pass it along. This is the Sunday Riley Autocorrect Brightening and Depuffing Eye Contour Cream. Instantly delivers a lifted and depuff look while reducing the appearance of dark circles and fine lines. Once again, I don't think it's anything that I'm super interested in trying, so I'll pass her along as well. These are little hair clips, and I think they're kind of cute, but I just don't use these type of things, so I'll pass those along. This is the Star Skin VIP Gold Eye Mask. Revitalizing Luxury Gold Foil Eye Masks. I am going to try them out, to be honest, because they look kind of nice, so I'll give those a go. This is the Supergoop Glow Screen Broad Spectrum Sunscreen, and I do really want to try this out. So I am going to keep that one and give it a go, and Lord knows that I need to get better at using SPF. Right, this is the Osea Undaria Cleansing Body Polish, and I think I am going to keep this one because once again I love a good body scrub. Let me smell it again. Yeah, it smells clean. Let's keep it. I go through body scrubs so quickly, honestly. Like, they're the one thing that I don't have like a stockpile of because I just go through them so quick. This is the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek in the shade Work. And yeah, I just don't think I'll use it. Like, I have so many blushes and this isn't a shade that's like sticking out to me heaps, so I'm gonna pass her along. I really want to try this. This is the Aveeno Calm and Restore Triple Oat Serum. It says instantly smooths, soothes and fortifies the skin's moisture barrier, leaving the skin hydrated. Pump once before use to clear dropper. Apply 2 pumps onto hand. Massage gently onto face after cleansing and before moisturizing. So yeah, I'm really excited to try that one out. It just sounds so nice. So I don't know what to do with these because I really want to try it. Peach Mango Carmex, but I feel like I also have so many of these. But then I'm also like, Peach Mango, I'm gonna keep it. I'm sorry, I have to keep it. Okay, these are tweezers from Pretty Little Thing, and I will be keeping these because you can never have enough tweezers. This is the Hotline lip liner from Peaches and Cream, and I will be keeping this. I love the Peaches and Cream lip liner formula. I've got some really nice shades from them as well, so I'm excited about that one. This is the Tower 28 Lip Jelly in Pistachio, and I think I'll keep this. I feel like it looks quite cute. And I've never tried anything from Tower 28, so I'm excited about that. Okay, this is the Peter Thomas Roth Anti-Aging Cleansing Gel. I think I'm going to try it. I do like cleansers, which now that I'm like, I swear I had something else from Peter Thomas Roth and now I don't know where it's gone, so I know that like, because I know that in the advent calendar we got like 2 things from that brand, so I don't know where the other bit's gone, but anyway. This is the Dr. Barber Sturm face cream, and I've also got the hyaluronic serum, and I think I'm going to pass both of these along just because one, I kind of don't want to try the brand because it's so expensive, so I'm just like, I know that I'm never going to purchase it. But yeah, I don't know, they just don't interest me too much, so I will pass those along. This is a Mermaid Hair like wax form. Hold it right there, your Hype Gel in wax form hair styling wax stick, and I do want to try it out because if it works, then I have the worst flyaways, so I'm going to try her. This is the Tanology Illuminating Face Bronzer. Sorry, Tanologist. It's called Instant Glow Illuminating Face Bronzer, and I do really want to try this out. I'm very interested to see like how that works and stuff, so we'll be keeping that one. I really am so confused as to where this other Peter Thomas Roth product went, but God knows what else I'm missing. The beauty room is like a mess at the moment. Honestly, when isn't it a mess? But the Benefit Benetint, I will pass that along as well. It's just not something that I will use like personally, so. This is the Bondi Sands SPF Ultra Lightweight Face Fluid. I think I will give this a go as well because like I said, I'm really trying to get better at SPF, so I'll give her a go. We have the little Emco Beauty Eye Pencil in black, which I think I will pass that along because it's just like a kohl pencil and I don't really reach for them. I'll also pass this one along because I've got one of these. It's in a different shade, but it's like the same scent and stuff. This is the Golden Glow one. I think this was exclusive to the calendar maybe, but either way I'll pass her along. Damn, I don't know what to do about this. This is the Mega Balm from Emco and it's in the shade Scent Peach. It smells really nice, but I think I'll pass it along. This is the MAC lipstick in Thanks It's MAC. Oh, it is a kind of pretty shade, but I'm just like, will I use it? Oh, I don't know. I think I'll pass it along, to be honest. Like, it's, I'm not like staring at it being like, oh, I need to have it, so yeah. This is the Saint Tropez Self Tan Purity Vitamin. It says it's a bronzing water serum. I think I'm going to pass it along, to be honest. And then the last thing we have is the blush from Made by Mitchell in Strawberry Cream. Oh, it is such a cool shade, but I'm like, do I need it? I kind of want to try it out though. I don't know, like, there's part of me that really wants to give it a go, so I might just keep that on. So yeah, that is everything. I've still got like quite a few calendars to do, but everything for now. So this is everything that is getting passed along, whether it be giveaways or into family and friends or whatever. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this one. It was quite a fun one to film. yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!